What's up, guys? It's Aaron from How To's by Bros, and I'm super stoked to tell you this, guys. I'm gonna start a lifestyle kind of vlogish kind of. A lot of times I'll probably be in here sharing my heart, sharing my topics. I'm sharing my heart on important topics like whatever it might be about God, about helping preventing suicide, pornography, whatever it is. I'm super stoked to tell you I'm gonna start uploading on How To's by Bros, because I figured why not? Like, you guys already, I was surprised I got a good response for the last video I did. So you know what, I'm gonna start posting. I'm not sure exactly how much I'm gonna be posting, but I'm gonna be posting a little bit and just talking and sharing my passion with you guys. So let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys are down for that, and I hope you guys are excited about that. So thank you so much, and God bless.